Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jess. Today I decided to do a glow up video. So this is kind of a natural glam transformation. It definitely gave me the boost of confidence that I needed. So if you want to see how this look was created, then just keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, let's get into the look. So this is what we're starting off with today. It's not the look. I'm gonna do my skin on camera this time because I don't think I've done that in a while. I'm actually gonna go in with my Milani Bright Side Primer for some glow because Lord knows we need it. It does make skin really glowy and nice. Ow. Alright, we got the Brow Freeze, the classic ABH Brow Freeze. My eyebrows are super thick, so this does help. I'm not too like perfectionist about it. I just kind of get her done. Make them a little bit more fluffy. I also have bangs now, so you can't even see my brows, so it doesn't matter. In order to look hot, we're gonna need some foundation. I actually picked up a new foundation for once. I haven't bought a new foundation in a long time. This is the Makeup Forever HD Skin. Hopefully the shade matches my skin. She did a little shade swatch. This is my first time trying it, so first impressions, I guess. Let's try it. Ouch. Let's see what happens. Is that like too light? I think I have skin dysmorphia because I never know what shade I am. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Wow, my tan is completely gone now. That's fun. Wow, this is actually looking really nice and it feels good on the skin. It said it was a like satin finish. Is that too white? I can't tell. Ever since I turned 25, my skin has been hating me. It's like all my hormones just went off. They went off. They weren't going off in high school, so I guess I'm lucky in that way. Now I'm going to do some concealer. This is my NYX Can't Stop Concealer. Spraying my blender again. And we're just going to go in and dabby dabby. What is going on today, honeys? This is not working. Oh my god. We have the Milk Bronzing Stick. It's definitely more of a warmer tone, so I'm going to use this little brush. I've been liking using this brush lately, actually, just to contour my cheeks and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to use this brush and just add a lot of color back into my skin. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I can't do makeup today. Trust the process. Trust the process. Why does it look so intense on camera? It does not look like this in person. I swear. I'm trying to glow up and I'm not feeling it right now. Oh. Is this going to be a glow up fail? I've never seen one of those before. Maybe I'll be the first. So I'm going to use my NYX Sweet Cheeks. This is the shade Bombshell. So I'm going to just place it right there, kind of at the high points of my cheekbones, and blending that as well with a beauty blender, and hopefully it blends out nicely. Ooh, okay. That's doing something good. I just like the dewiness of cream products. This is my Cover Fix Illuminating Dewdrops, and these are actually really good. The way I apply it's kind of weird, but you know, I've just kind of learned that that's the way I like to do it, so whatever. I use a fan brush, actually. That's the way That's the way, I like it. So, fan brushing the shit out of this. And, you know, it just gives you that like luminous, dewy glow. It just looks kind of like it's a part of your skin. And that's what I like about it. This is the peach setting powder. It smells so nice. And I'm just gonna, with this brush, kind of put it in the areas that I want to mattify, which is not my whole face. If we're doing a glow up, we want it to look really like, you know? I'm gonna start off with my Patrick Ta Precision Gel Eyeliner. You know, I'm not a huge fan of this. I'm really not, and I think it's because it's waterproof, so it's really hard to blend, but I'm just gonna do a base with this eyeliner. So kind of starting from the bottom here, I'm drawing a line out. You see what I mean though? Like, it's just hard to work with. Okay, so I'm just filling that in. And this is my base for the shadow. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a base. I'm actually gonna try to smudge this a little. Taking this type of brush, I'm going with my Animal Eyes Sephora palette, and I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. And I'm just kind of like using that to not only reapply some of the color, just to intensify it and blend it out a little too. With this shade right here, I'm going to just kind of buff that out a little bit on this side. And it will give it kind of a more like blended look, if that makes sense. I'm gonna add a bit more brown. And then blend that out again with this shade. I'm actually even going to take this shade kind of in the crease area, just like that. And that's the lighter shade. I think I like how that looks. I've been liking doing a crease like this lately. And you can even bring just a little bit of that darker brown shade kind of into the very corner of the eye, just to give you more of that like cat eye effect. Just to make it even more blended, I'm going to take another blending brush and I'm going to go in with an even lighter shade. So I actually used the shade Cutting Edge from the Pricks palette by Jeffree Star. And I'm just lightly blending this area just so it looks a little bit more finesse. Okay, so you can see it looks quite nice and blended. I'm gonna do this eye real quick and then I will come back. Okay, so I finished this side and I think it looks pretty good. It does create a nice effect the way that I put the lash. So basically, I put the lash closest to my eyelash here in the front, and then I kind of on an angle will place it so it goes up like this with the eyeliner. From underneath, if you looked really hard, you could see a bit of a space between my regular lashes and the real or the fake ones. But I like this effect, especially if you're not using the tape that like brings your forehead up. I bought this lip liner from MAC, and it was the wrong color for the lipstick that I was going for, but this is the shade Stripdown. It's kind of a nice nude shade-ish. So we'll see how it looks on the lips. I've never used a MAC lip liner before, but I have heard a lot of good things, and it does seem really smooth. I'm just overdrawing a little bit to get that bombshell kind of look. Okay, and then I have my NARS lipstick in the shade Raw Seduction. This is like a little mini, but it's really cute. And I'm just putting a little bit of that kind of in the middle of the lips. And I think that creates kind of a nice like ombre effect. It looks that I curled my hair a couple days ago, and I'm just gonna freshen it up a little bit by curling just a few key pieces to kind of bring the look together. Major bag alert. I've had this song in my head a lot. I can tell you, I just re-downloaded TikTok, and I've been posting a bit on there. If you want to follow me, I'll link it down below, but it's literally is just constantly running through my mind. I definitely feel like I've had a glow up. Do we like this purse? I mean, do you like this purse? It's a little bit flashy. Got my little purse here. Definitely feel like this is a baddie glow up kind of moment. Alrighty, so there is my glow up and a little natural smoked out eyeliner tutorial for you as well. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up if you did like it. But yeah, I definitely feel a lot more confident just having a little bit of a glow, some lashes, and just doing a cute look, putting on some jewelry, and just kind of feeling myself. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.